Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I have been gone for a really long time, so with me returning, go ahead and like up the video, and I got a lot of news for you guys. While I was gone, I was able to sample merch, and yes, this is my merch. So if you guys support me and you guys do enjoy the videos, make sure you cop some merch. It's gonna be dropping real soon. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But this is just one of the t-shirts. It's the Blessed tee, and this is the back. It's really clean clothing. The material is really nice. And I'll show you guys the rest of the merch line at the end of this video, so stay tuned and don't forget to like the video. But you guys, I'm really excited for this video. Hopefully you guys are too. Today I'm pretty much gonna give you guys a breakdown of how to get dreadlocks. And this is not just how to get dreadlocks with one type of hair, which would be curly hair, which is what people mostly think. But in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to get dreadlocks with any type of hair. Yes, that is right. Any type of hair you can get dreadlocks. With straight hair all the way to really coarse and thick hair. So if you guys don't know, there's different hair types. If you don't know what type of hair you have, I'm pretty much going to give you a breakdown of what the hair types are. Hair types are associated with numbers and letters. And it starts from 1 all the way to 4C. With 1 being straight and 4C being really thick and curly. So with that representation, you can only imagine what the numbers are. It's 1 through 4 and then A through C. So the first range I'm going to be talking about is 1 through 2C. So this hair type is very straight to wavy. And I would say the best method I would tell anybody who asks me with straight hair or wavy hair is use twist and rip method. The twist and rip method is the easiest and the quickest way to get dreadlocks with straight hair, I believe, and it looks really clean, and it's honestly just a great way to start out in dreadlocks, especially if you do have straight hair. This method is designated for the straight and wavy hair. I would not suggest this for 4C or any curly hair. So with all these methods that I'm giving you, YouTube is going to be your best friend. If you know your hair type and you know the method to choose, just search up a how-to video on the method you need and you'll be straight. But twist and rip is definitely the way to go with straight hair. Moving on to the middle section, which would be 3A to 3C, which is this is the curly hair. And with the curly hair, I believe this introduces the twisting with gel method. Twisting with gel is great for the 3A all the way to 4C even. But I have a different method for the 4A through 4C type, so stay tuned for that. But as far as 3A through 3C, which is the middle section, which is curly, me personally, I tell you guys to twist with gel, be patient, let your hair lock up, and watch it mature over time, and your hair will turn out great. And like I said before, if you know the hair type and the method you want to use, look up a video and a how-to. YouTube is your best friend. And I have plenty of videos on every single method, so check the page out. Also check out my main channel, Nothing to Great. I just hit 100,000 subscribers on there. That is insane. Thank you so much for that. But let's move on to the 4 type hair. So 4A through 4C, what I would recommend for you guys, it's a really easy way and a very quick way as well. It does take a little bit of maintenance afterwards, but it is quick and very easy. And with this hair type, I would choose the sponge method. Now, using the sponge to get dreadlocks is a very popular method that a lot of people use, but the thing is people don't know what hair type they need in order to do this method. A lot of people with straight hair ask me if they can twist their hair with a sponge, and no, you can't really do that. Your hair just doesn't have anything to grab onto. Essentially with the sponge rub method, your hair is, for lack of better words, getting twirled into other hairs, which eventually creates coils, or in this case, twists, which as far as dreadlocks go, these will be starter locks. One thing to know about the sponge rub method is that your hair will actually stand up for a while until it matures, and then it'll start to lay down. Also, another thing to know about the sponge rub method is when you start going in one direction, choose clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on the way that your curls naturally go. That's the best way to choose. Once you choose that way, make sure you do it the whole time. You don't want some dreadlocks going clockwise and some others going counterclockwise, because say if you go back over this and you go the wrong way, you're gonna unravel them. So that's pretty much covering every single hair type, and I give you one method for each hair group. If you guys would like to know more methods and you'd like me to break them down even more and do the same thing with more methods, definitely like the video and comment down below if you guys want to see more of this. But other than that, let me show you guys the rest of this merch that is dropping real soon, and I'm sure every single one of you guys is going to enjoy it. Alright, who's gonna be buying merch? Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna buy some. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.